Hi friend, today we are going to find out even number and then multiply by 2 using Java 8 feature. First we write the class name like f and then main method. Then we have to write list of integer. We have to define the integer of list like num list and then array dot as list where list is name 469, 2. These are the list we have, and import this list into the Java util package. Then we have to write using stream API num list dot stream dot filter method where filter is I tends to I module 2 is equal 0. If any number is even number, if that divisible that divided by 2 is equal 0, then we have to using map that function into map tends to I tends to I into 2. Then we have to use for each iterative method for each system dot out dot println and print I. Then save the program, and here we have to up to I is and also here we have to define I tends to, then save that and then run that program. Actually we do here first using module I module 2 is equal 0, then that number is multiplied by 2 and then we got the output. Run as Java application where 462 and 4 into 2 8, 6 into 2 12 and 2 into 2 is 4. That's it.